So to begin, I would like to say that Marie Beaumont throws a large party at her cottage an hour or so out of town, not in a hotel. No drunken patron was thrown out at her party. No one got ran over by a negligent driver on a busy highway near the hotel. In fact, the cottage is an hour or so out of town. So, with this in mind, and this position statement, I believe the charge party should dismiss absent withdrawal because the case does not meet prima facie, and if it did lack merit of finding Marie responsible or liable in damages to Charlie, Jamie, and Tom. So the issue over here is, you know, what I'm saying, is Marie liable in damages to Charlie and Tom? And as I explained for the reasons that I mentioned below or earlier, she's not held responsible. The rule that was given, for example, was the most significant authority is Mill versus the Hostel House, SOE, 1971, which is not applicable because that took place in the hotel, and in the hotel, there was a party that was held, and the party responsible for the injuries caused to a drunken patron who was part of the hotel and later run over by a negligent driver on a busy highway near the hotel. As I explained, it's not the same case scenario here. The application of the law is an application of the law, and so with this in mind, as I stated earlier, in this position statement, I believe the charge party should dismiss as a withdrawal because this case is not a prima facie, as I stated earlier, and it lacks merit on finding Marie responsible or liable for the damages of Charlie and Tom.